In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dsers with Woocommerce. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center for your site where you manage plugins, settings, and everything that powers your store. If you're not already there, open your site's admin URL and log in with your admin credentials. I'll assume WooCommerce is already installed and set up, since Dsers will plug into it to manage your dropshipping workflow. Next, head over to the Dsers website and create an account. Dsers is a dropshipping management tool that helps you source products and sync orders. Sign up with your preferred email, set a secure password, and verify your account if prompted. Keep this tab open, we'll connect it to WordPress in a moment. Back in WordPress, look at the left-hand menu and click Plugins, then choose Add New. This is where you can install trusted tools to extend your store's functionality. In the search bar on the top right, type Dsers. Give it a second to load the results and look for the official Dsers plugin. A quick check of the plugin's details and active installations can help confirm you've got the right one. Click Install Now, and once it finishes, click Activate. Activating turns the plugin on so it can add menus and features to your dashboard. If you don't see the Activate button right away, refresh the page and check your installed plugins list. After activation, you'll notice a Dsers item in your WordPress menu. Click Dsers, then go to Settings. This is where you'll connect your Dsers account to your WooCommerce store. You'll typically see two options: connect by logging into Dsers directly or connect using an API key. If you choose to log in, you'll be redirected to Dsers to authorize access, review the permissions, and confirm. If you prefer the API key method, open your Dsers account in the Other tab, find your API key in the account or integration settings, and paste it into the field in WordPress. Keep your key private and store it securely. Once connected, wait for a success message confirming the link between Dsers and WooCommerce. If you hit an error, double check that your store URL is correct, your WordPress user has adequate permissions, and your site's SSL is working properly. That's it. Your Dsers account is now integrated with WooCommerce, and you're ready to import products and sync orders with confidence.